back, you guys. Today's video is going to be so exciting, and we're filming it in my car. You can kind of see because I just got off work and I have to go somewhere right after this, but we wanted to be able to film it when we had some good lighting. And we got this box that we're about to open yesterday, but we were both busy yesterday, so we couldn't open it yesterday. But if you watched our last vlog, then you would know that we bought a camera. Nothing expensive, nothing like, it's literally like we went on Amazon and found a vlogging camera. It's not like a big brand or anything, but we're just really excited to open it. So I'm eating my McFlurry that Austin got me, and we're gonna open this lovely box.
Alright, me.
I'll hold it.
Me. We're using a key because I didn't plan appropriately because I forgot to bring a knife.
Oh, it's kind of heavy.
And now we need a bag for it.
So it looks like.
Key.
Okay.
I feel like a kid in a candy store.
I know.
Yeah. I'll hold that. Take the top off.
I can't. I think it like.
It's like both. Yeah, there you go. Gotta be smarter than what we're working with.
Thank you. It's a warranty card. Okay.
Okay.
Take it out like one thing at a time.
Alright. Is that a charger for the camera battery, I'm guessing?
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
Camera, battery charger. Okay.
We're gonna have to buy extra ones of those for vacation. Okay. It says accessory, so I'm guessing that's a lens.
What did you just say?
Accessory?
Accessory?
Shut up. I'm guessing that's one of the lenses. Oh.
No. A strap. Oh, wait. I think we're both wrong.
I think it's a lens.
Oh. Yes.
You're wrong.
It's a lens.
Okay, that's one of them. Oh, fancy. Alright.
I have to break that.
This one's also another of one of the accessories. And it's just got
cover.
a strap for the camera. Probably to plug into the computer or something. And then, I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's how you get your things. This is another USB cord.
And then 2 batteries. And an SD card.
Oh, yeah, just another cord.
An SD card. And then...
Oh, the box is kind of small. It doesn't even say like camera on it or anything. Just a white box. Oh, the suspense.
It comes in a baggie and everything.
Oh, it's kind of like weird. That's what it looks like. It's like the little flip screen too. This is exciting.
We're like kids in a candy store right now.
No kidding. Alright, so we're gonna hook this thing up. We're gonna get some footage on it. So switch to this camera in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, never mind. We bought a camera!
This is our first video on our new camera, babe. And of course you're eating in it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is a memory.
This is a milestone.
Our first camera on this YouTube channel on March
6th.
2019 at 6:18 p.m. Can I see that?
Look, you can use your phone in the video
use my
now.
phone now.
Oh man.
Alright, just a little bit of an update. We bought this camera because we're going on vacation and we didn't want to have to use our phones like the whole time. But it's more of a vlogging camera, so in our sit-down videos, you're like not in there.
I am.
Okay. In our sit-down videos, we'll probably still film on our phones just because they're easier to mess with and to edit on. But
it just depends. We'll see.
yeah, I was gonna say if we end up like really liking this camera, we might just use it for everything. But it is a vlogging camera, so kind of for on the go. This is our first camera.
It was at this moment he knew.
He fucked up.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
I'm fighting you when I turn this camera off.
Alright guys, that is all we have for this video. We hope you like it, and we hope our videos only get better from here for you guys.
We know it's short, but...
Yeah, I was going to say.
Oh, we
It's okay. We bought a camera!
They're gonna be like, stop saying that.
Alright guys, peace.
Peace.